Hey, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at the Wildwood Retreat doing a quick tutorial on the television that is upstairs. So we have a handful of remote controls here. We have the television remote, which is the LG, and then we have the remote for the DVD player, and then we have the remote for the Amazon, I think it's called the Fire Stick. Now, this television is set up so that you can utilize the DVD player, and that's going to be on HDMI 1. In order to change the channels in the HDMI options, this button right here. Power is on the top left. So as we transition, we got the HDMI 1. Now we go to HDMI 2. And that is going to be using this right here. So if you have the controls in any of the options, you can go ahead and use these controls as you normally would. Now the other option that we have available to us, since this is a smart enabled television, is pushing the home button right here. And then that will actually allow us to go through and utilize the LG Smart TV options. So you can also access across the bottom all the various options that you have. If you've got any further questions using this television, you can reach out to us in the office. It's the 208-634-0030. Cheers.